Welcome. If you're looking to turn off those friend request accepted notifications on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Let's walk through each step together so you can enjoy Roblox without unnecessary pop-ups. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots, and will open up a new set of options for you. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all kinds of preferences for your Roblox experience. From there, look for the Notifications section in the menu. Click on it to open your notification settings. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a variety of options. What you want to do now is find and click on Mobile Push Notifications. This section controls which notifications you get pushed to your device, including those about friend requests and other social updates. Now, scroll through the list until you find Friend Request Accepted. There will be a switch or checkbox next to it. If it's turned on, you'll keep getting notifications whenever someone accepts your friend request. To disable these, simply click the switch or untick the box so it's off. After you've made sure the Friend Request Accepted option is disabled, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. This ensures your new settings are applied and you won't receive those notifications anymore. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off Friend Request Accepted notifications on the Roblox app for PC. Enjoy a quieter, more focused gaming experience. And remember, you can always come back to these settings if you want to adjust your notifications in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.